Hey friends, my name is Caitlin Kennedy, and today I'm going to share with you a brand new opportunity from OLAPLEX. I'm a hairstylist in South Florida, and I've been using OLAPLEX for about 5 years now. I typically focus on blonding services and vibrant hair color transformations, so having a tool like OLAPLEX under my belt has been absolutely game-changing in ensuring that no damage comes to my client's hair while I'm doing these major color services. If you haven't heard of OLAPLEX before, it's a system that repairs hair on a molecular level. OLAPLEX works by repairing broken bonds in the hair that are caused by mechanical, thermal, or chemical services. We believe that everyone should have the opportunity to try OLAPLEX, so we've just released a new single-use packet for numbers 1 and 2 of OLAPLEX. These steps are intended to be used in the salon as an additive to a chemical service or as a standalone treatment. My favorite way to use OLAPLEX in my salon is by adding it to a lightener. That way I can create a perfect platinum or prep someone's hair before applying a vibrant tone and know beyond a shadow of a doubt that there will be no damage to my client's hair. Let's talk a little more about this packet and then I'll show you how I mix it in with my lightener. The single-use packet comes with steps numbers 1 and 2, just like any full-size salon kit would come with. Once you get your packets, you can check out all the information and directions right on the back. And there is also a welcome message and a place to find more information on social media and the inside cover. Once you check behind your OLAPLEX packets, you'll find a few more pro tips waiting for you inside. You'll find all the directions right on your packet, but the basic steps you'll need to know is that number 1 goes in with your chemical, and number 2 is applied at the shampoo bowl after you've shampooed out your chemical service. I've just finished mixing my lightener, and now I'm going to be adding the OLAPLEX number 1 directly into my stirred lightener. In your single-use packet, the number 1 packet is good for 2 ounces of lightener in foils or 4 ounces of lightener on the scalp. I've only mixed 1 ounce of lightener here, so I'm actually just going to use half of my pack. Just going to open it up and measure out half of the content of this pack directly into my lightener. To save the rest of this number 1 packet, I'm just going to fold it down and secure the top with a binder clip. There we go. Now I'm going to just stir the OLAPLEX directly into my lightener and we'll be ready to foil from here. Once you've finished processing your chemical service, follow the instructions on the back for number 2. And don't forget to give it a nice shampoo with OLAPLEX's number 4 and 5. Thank you guys so much for hanging out for a minute with me today. Make sure to check out olaplex.com to pick up your own packets or for more information. See you next time.